Hello, fellow traders. So, somebody today woke up very happy, somebody woke up very sad. It depends how you trade VIX yesterday. We did elect the 2040 um, reversal, which means that we closed below it. Of course, today it opened below the weekly reversal, 16 14, I think. What does that mean? That means that we will go lower until next week. And I mentioned yesterday, today, 2 days ago, or yesterday morning, don't trade when it comes to being so close to reversals. Yes, we broke the channel on the weekly. Yes, we broke it on the monthly. Um, Well, that means that we gonna go back, spike up? Well, time will tell. Yeah, I was very, I guess, indecisive yesterday to take a short position or not based on fix. I did not take it. Um, you know, it was a good trade to get in. Short weeks. Again, it's all about emotion, how you can handle it. Socrates pointed out very accurate that we have a panic week, a panic day, and even gave us this small touch of reversal. I did close my position here, you know, because I didn't expect this move to happen. Anyways, it did happen. I had a small position here. I maintained it, but I took my losses. I took some losses, and I'm happy with the losses, because I planned for it. That's what I'm saying. You have to trade money you can lose. This is not, you know, a short thing investment. Nothing is short in this trading. So if you watch my videos and you feel like I'm leading you into something that causes you pain, better unsubscribe or just don't watch it because I don't want you to lose money. Again, trade time and price. If this week we close above this bearish reversal, 1610, then I'll get in again. But because on weekly it's oversold, time will tell. Good luck.